Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Lily and Mateo.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone.
Mateo, today we have a very fun topic, a cute topic, a sweet topic. We will talk about pets and animals.
Yay, I love animals.
Me too. So today we will learn greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, daily activities, and of course, pets and animals.
Let's start.
Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
We need numbers to talk about animals. Some people have one dog, some have 2 cats, some have 10 birds. Let's practice numbers. Repeat after me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now up to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Animals have routines too. Let's repeat the days.
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday. Perfect.
Repeat after me. Bowl,
Bowl,
leash,
leash,
ball, ball, bed,
bed,
toy.
toy,
Pets also eat food. Repeat after me. Water,
water,
food,
food,
meat,
meat,
fish,
fish,
milk.
milk. Animals have simple routines. Let's practice verbs.
Eat,
Eat,
drink,
drink,
play,
play,
sleep,
sleep,
run,
run,
walk.
walk. Repeat after me.
Dog,
Dog,
cat,
cat,
bird,
bird,
fish,
fish,
rabbit,
rabbit,
hamster.
hamster. Dog, cat, bird, fish, rabbit, hamster.
Let's talk about pets. Mateo, do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Oh, wow. What is your dog's name?
His name is Max.
And how old is Max?
He is 3 years old.
Does Max eat a lot?
Yes, Max loves food.
What does Max eat?
Max eats dog food and sometimes meat.
Let's repeat some sentences so the listeners can practice. I have a dog. My dog's name is Max. He is 3 years old. He eats dog food. He likes to play. Some people like cats. Repeat after me. I have a cat. My cat is very cute. My cat sleeps a lot. My cat drinks milk. My cat likes to play with the ball. Repeat after me. I have a bird. The bird is yellow. The bird sings every morning. I have a fish. The fish swims all day. I have a rabbit. The rabbit is white. The rabbit eats carrots. Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today. Greetings. Hello, good morning, how are you? Numbers 1 to 10. Days Monday to Sunday. Objects bowl, leash, ball, bed, toy. Food and drinks water, food, meat, fish, milk. Daily activities eat, drink, play, sleep, run, walk. Animals dog, cat, bird, fish, rabbit, hamster. Sentences I have a dog. My dog's name is Max. My cat sleeps a lot. The bird sings. The fish swims.
This was fun.
Yes, talking about animals is always fun.
Thank you, Lily.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye.